morning, everyone. It's Tuesday morning, and welcome to Yogarate. Scruffy is going to be hanging out inside. He may come out later. He'll say, hi, my name is Yensei. I'm your yogi sensei. We're going to start the class the same way we end the class, by showing respect. Awesome. Everybody, attention. Yes, sir. Oh, don't hit yourself that hard. Okay? Attention. Everybody say, yes, sir. Nice. And everybody, courtesy. Say, respect. Oh, the phone thing brought me off. I guess I forgot to shut that off. Oh, well, we're going to hear sounds today. And big belly breath in. Everybody say respect. Awesome. And we're going to get started by playing a game called Yensei Says. So it's like Simon Says, but we don't do the thing where we say the different name. Does that make sense? Doesn't make sense? It's all good. Yensei says, hands in the air. Yensei says, touch your nose. Yensei says, touch your knees. Yensei says, say cheese, please. What are you, a bunch of mice? Some of these things are only funny for me. All right, Yensei says, hands like this. Yensei says, do 5 jumping jacks. 1, 2, 3. Squirrel. Banana. Okay, good. Yensei says, do jumping johns. What's a jumping john? That's when you're moving your arms the same way, but your feet are moving back and forth like this. So Yensei says, 5 jumping johns. Ready, set, go. 1, 2, pickles. Applesauce, buddies. All right. Awesome. Yensei like this. Yensei says, switch your feet. Yensei says, switch your feet. Yensei says, switch your feet, switch your feet. Awesome. Yensei says, wiggle your hair. Yensei says, play on your belly. Belly bow. Yensei says, hands up. Yensei says, touch your nose. Yensei says, do a silly dance. Do 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 do. Do 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 do. All right. And Yensei, turn yourself to the side so you can see your belly. Yensei says big belly breath in, so you push your belly out. Yensei says big belly out. Yensei says big belly breath in. Big belly breath out. Yensei says big belly breath in. Yensei says big belly breath out. Yensei says big belly breath in. Yensei says big belly breath out. Isn't that precious? All right, awesome. So, first thing that we're going to do, after we did a little warm-up, is our silly stretching, which you can also see on my Yogarate. That's if your head falls off, I'll give you some glue it back on. If you hear any cracks or kringles or anything. No, what? Did you say your head fell off? Who? You? All right, here, catch this. Whoosh. Here's some more glue. Catch this. Whoosh. One more time. Catch this. Whoosh. Awesome sauce. All right, take the glue, put it on your neck. Take the glue, put it in your neck. Everybody say, check the neck. Awesome. And now let's try it again. Everybody go tick, tock, 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 tick, tock. Are you alarmed? Oh, you're being... All right, I'm going to grab a quick drink, because sometimes doing... It's a different part of the throat. All right, and roll the shoulders back, and let's go first. Say hi. Nice, everyone say hi, fish. Awesome, everybody say hi, shark. Shark? Behind you, no! Everybody swim. Everybody go backward. Everybody fly out of the water. Whoosh. Fly this way. Whoosh. Fly this way. All right, let's find a spot to land. Right there. Everybody superhero fly. And superhero landing. Nice job. All right. And say, I love you, ice cream. Oh, I love ice cream. If you love pancakes, say, I love you, pancakes. Oh, I love pancakes. If you love yourself, we're going to give ourselves an energy hug. First of all, rub your hands together. Rub your hands together. Pull your hands apart. You feel that power in between your hands? You feel that energy in between your hands? Everybody repeat after me. Ready? I have the power! Nice. Give yourself an energy hug. Energy going through your body. Give yourself another energy hug. Give your belly an energy hug. Oh, that feels so nice. The heat coming from my hands. Awesome. Everybody make a rainbow. Everybody say ha ha ha. Good. Everyone say hee hee hee. Everyone say ho ho ho. Everyone say ah. Ho ho before? Are you a bunch of Santa Clauses? Somebody owes me a train. Everybody say hoo hoo hoo. Are you the No. Are you a bunch of owls? No, I don't give a hoot either. All right, now we're going to stretch out our legs, our hamstrings, and our glutissimus, maximus, cardassianus. So ready? Let's peck through some seeds like a bunch of chickens. Everybody go peck, 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 peck. We're going to pick some bananas like a bunch of monkeys. Pick, 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 peck, 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 pick, 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 peck, peck, peck. Pick. Ew, you're picking. Ew, that's disgusting. All right, ready? Put your hands on your knees. We're going to stretch out our knees a little bit. It's very important to have good, strong knees. We're going to stretch out our ACL. We're going to stretch out our PCL. And we're going to stretch out our MC hammer. All right, good. And let's bring our knees open. Everybody bring your knees and howl like this. And go like this. I think Scruffy wants to come out to say hello. And bring your knees around the other way. Just like that. Keep going, keep going. All right. We're going to drum on one leg to get the other ankle stronger. And get our balance. Faster, faster. Drumming your leg till it gets faster, faster. Putting the foot down. Nice. Let's do the other leg. Ready? Faster, faster, put the foot in, faster, 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 drumming on the ground, def leppard drumming. Let's practice some Yogarate moves that we learned over the last month or so. First thing we're going to do is we're getting to our ready stance. Everybody step 1 foot back, bend your knees, hands up like this, your elbows out like chickens, or in like kangaroos. Nice, and that's if somebody's going to try to bop you in your nose or throw something at your head, you put your hand up. Okay, let's practice now. I'm going to throw some of the sunballs. We'll do 2 or 3 for each move, and then what you're going to do is fireball in your chest or in your belly. And you're going to duck underneath it, or you're going to swat it, or you're going to block it. Anything that you want to do doesn't make a difference. You do your best, okay? So here we go. Whatever it does, remember, you can high block it, you can swat it with the middle block, or you can duck underneath it. Ready, set, go. Nice. Good. Nice. Are you ready? I said, are you ready? Ooh. Nope, not doing it. Okay, hands are ready, and any kind of block. Good. Good. Good job. Awesome block. Amazing. Okay, and let's take a drink. So everybody drinking a lot of water? It's good for you. Okay. Let's do our sun salutation. Big belly breath in, big belly breath out. Now you can even do a big belly breath in with your mouth, or you can do a big belly breath in with your nose. Let's try just with our nose. Breathe in with our nose. Breathe out with your nose. Breathe in with your mouth. Breathe out with your mouth. Okay, good. Sun salutation. Ready, set, go. I shape a circle, then one more. I fold in half and touch the floor. Touch, 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 touch. Breathe in. Breathe out. Oh, I hear some horses coming. Here they come, everybody. Put your hand. Long horse neck out, and everybody say, nay. One more time, take a big belly breath in and go, nay. Awesome. And I kick my feet back and drop right away. Hope you can see me. I pull myself forward and let out a hiss. Big belly breath in. And everybody goes. Sounds like somebody's got a flat tire. And I lift my bottom to the sky like a doggy, like this. Big belly breath in. Stick your booty up in the air and go woof, 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 woof. Nice. I drop to my knees and I breathe dragon's fire. Stick out your dragon tongue, pull it in. Stick out your dragon tail. See your dragon tail behind you just like that. Stick it all out like that. There you go. And now pull it in. Big belly breath in. And then dragon fire. And we're going to switch sides and lift a little higher. Everybody stick out your dragon tongue like this. Lift up, lift up. There's your dragon foot. Bring it in. And everybody. Nice job. All right. I curl up like a little mouse. So we're open your knees and keep your feet together. And go squeak, 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 squeak. Nice. Okay. He's joining us. Hi, Scruffy. All right, ready? So, when we do cat and cow, what you're going to do is you arch your bottom up in the air and you stretch your neck out like this and you go moo and you make your belly really, really big when it drops down. You go moo and then you're going to curl